Hi, I'm Marna, and along with Dory's Dollies, we offer the opportunity for you to join in the challenge. Show us your favorite goth doll. Now, that could be anything, something with just a love of a odd dress, who might wear this on Valentine's Day. You never know. She wears Adam's Family earrings. Actually, this is my Netflix Wednesday doll. Love her. Love Coretta DeVille. I did this. It's a Blythe face with a rainbow high body. Love her. Love all these girls. Look at Susie Sad Eyes. Leave it in my comments. Do you have a Susie Sad Eyes? Uh-oh, look how dusty she's getting here. This is my favorite little chubby Blythe Wednesday
Playing in the
Addams.
attic.
I just love her. Yeah. And then there's more down here. Little pirate Blythe. My little cat Blythe, that is absolutely one of my favorites. And then there's Millicent. How do you say Maleficent? And that I did with Tammy Polly. That was actually a collab. We each did. Oh, she does wonderful work. So what is my favorite? I'll tell you what. Leave in my comments, out of just these dolls here, which one is your favorite of my, let's call them darker girls. Thank you, Dory. This is always so much fun. And speaking of Dory, let me show you something. And if you have a video today, I would really like to know in my comments so that I can come by and see your favorite Dolls Gone Goth doll. Do you see this? Absolutely. Oh, I love this doll and her little doll. I leave it here so it doesn't fall. Dory handcrafted this doll and the little Marie Antoinette Wednesday dolls. Oh, you don't know how much this doll means to me. Then we have a little cheaper Wednesday Addams and Gomez. Add them to the which one is your favorite. Dory, I can't thank you enough for that doll. Anyway, go by Dory's today. Find out what her favorite Dolls Gone Goth doll is. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and join us on Thursday nights for our live. Darren and I are live on Thursday nights on YouTube at 6 o'clock. Everyone is welcome.